Experience driving perfection in the 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, front and rear reading lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, brake assist, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.